Patricia Archibald's quilts are very obviously inspired by her travels, and this collection of quilts is called A World of Inspiration. Patricia's obviously a well-travelled lady, but she does ask us not to forget to experience the journey. So let's look at a few of her quilts. African Enigma. This represents a personal turning point for Pat when the mismatched and random pieces of the jigsaw puzzle of life started to fit together after an adventurous climb to the crater rim of Africa's highest mountain. Storm Shoreline, Australia. This is a quilt of opposites. The peace and calm of the fishermen in eastern Australia contrast against the storm swirling up in the night sky. The foreground depicts the aftermath of the storm, treasures and debris trapped in the rocks on the shore, and it's been foundation pieced and hand painted. Moon Shadows and Sundown in Hong Kong. A full moon is suspended over the skyline of Hong Kong, and the setting sun is caught in a moment, firing the windows of the skyscraper before it sinks. This piece has been made using Bonder-Weber applique, foiling, hand and machine quilting, and there are 10 pieces in this section.